Ek word weer Yeshua. Good morning. The life in whose footsteps we strive to walk. He said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one can come to the Father except through me. We know He's the way. That's why we're walking in His footsteps or striving to do so. We know He's the true. He's the life. We discussed that yesterday. He laid down His life for you and me. We also know He's the truth, because He said, because the Word teaches us that whoever puts their trust in His person and power, He, Yeshua, gave us the right to become children of God when that happens. Now, that means we can sit down with the Father. We have perpetual entry to the Father through this truth. But the truth is also the Torah. Yeshua came and He fulfilled every step, every word of the Torah in body and in spirit. Therefore, we are moving on this 6th day of the week. We are moving towards the Sabbath, the day of rest. Yeshua celebrates the Sabbath. Yeshua said, I am the Lord of the Sabbath. Yeshua walks the truth. He talks the truth. So may this Sabbath be an awesome one for you and your family. Shabbat Shalom. He is the way, the truth, and the life.